Ready? Let's go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. May the Lord God bless you. May the Lord God bless you. May the Lord God, may the Lord God, may the Lord God bless you. Happy birthday, Sis Admin Princess Athena. I wish you all the best, good health, and many more birthdays to come. Stay humble, stay kind, and stay beautiful. Thank you being a good admin, friend, sister, at sana mabuhay ka hanggang gusto mo. Ayun, basta lahat ng pangarap mo ay matupad at maging masaya ka lagi sa iyong buhay, sa iyong love life, family, at sa lahat-lahat. Happy birthday! Love you, sis. I love you, sis. Mwah! Bye!
Hi everyone! Ayan, this is Kyomoni. So, andito tayo ngayon para i-greet yung nag-iisang prinsesa ng buhay niya. Nag-iisang prinsesa ng Team Tolong. Ayan, walang iba kundi si Princess Athena. Ayan, hi sis! Happy birthday! Belated happy birthday. Ayan, so wish you all the best in your life. Enjoy your day kung kailan ka magsi-celebrate ng iyong birthday. Ayan, wish you all the best in your life. Stay safe dyan. Ayan, huwag masyadong magpaka-stress sa life natin kasi life is too short. Ayan, so happy birthday and God bless Sis Athena. Happy birthday. Bye.
Hi, Be! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Ayoko na. Happy birthday, Be! Thank you sa lahat ng pagkamaldita mo, pagka luka-luka mo minsan. And thank you sa pag-play minsan, lalo na pag nasa galaan ako. Thank you. At sana dumami pa ang boyfriend mo, makarami ka ng jowa. Kahit ano mo, maraming salamat at nandiyan ka lagi, nag-guide at nakasuporta sa amin sa pag-play. Thank you, Be. At pasensya ka na kasi late na naman yung bigay ko sa'yo dahil eto, panakaw na ko lang pag video sa gratings mo, na araw-araw mo na talaga ako na mananghingi ng gratings. Happy birthday again and sana lagi kang patnubayan ni Lord kung nasaan ka mang mundo, saan ka man lupalop, mag-ingat ka lagi. At tanggalin mo minsan ang pagkamaldita mo, lalo na't kung nasa malayo ka, ha? Mag-ingat ka lagi at God bless. Love you. Mwah. Happy birthday again.